Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to wrap an image with break text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then click the image location. Then go to the insert menu. Then go to the image and click upload from computer. Then choose the image. Then click open. Now our image are insert. Then click the image and go to the image option. Then go to the text wrapping and click break text. Then resize the image. You can move the image left or right, up or down very easily. Here you can see wrap an image with break text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.